2015 Chevy Tahoe 5.3 liter. This is what it sounds like stock, with a stock resonator and muffler. You can barely hear it. I'll let you guys hear it after. So this is a 2015 Chevy Tahoe 5.3 liter V8. This is what we did on it before. This is what we'll show you guys a before video. It's got 3 catalytic converters, then a flex pipe. That's the stock muffler right there. Then it goes over the rear end, and it's got a stock resonator. We'll let you guys hear it after and show you what we did. So this is the Tahoe again. We'll let you guys hear what we did after. So still got the stock converters there and there. Third one right there. Then we put a 3-inch pipe instead of the muffler. And then we put a 3-inch with a 4-inch tip. Double wall. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. That's how it came out. Go ahead. Much better. That's the stuff we took off right there.